Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I thank the honourable member for his question. Madam Speaker, as I had highlighted in my earlier ministerial statement, the Fijian government is actually very proud of its accomplishments in the area of strengthening economic relations with our major trading partners. Madam Speaker, over the past 3 years, we have either established or increased the scope of our diplomatic presence in China, in Australia, in Papua New Guinea through our trade commissions. And the newly formed Trade Commission in Auckland, Madam Speaker, that commenced operations on the 1st of March 2018, is the 4th Trade Commission initiated by the Fijian government in the past 3 years, and taking into account the Trade Commission that is based in Los Angeles, that is responsible for the North American market. And this brings a network of Fijian trade commissions around the world to 5. With regards to identifying the New Zealand market, Madam Speaker, as a location for our newest trade commission, this was achieved mainly as a result of the vision and the foresight of the Honourable Prime Minister, and based on the strong trade and investment relationship that is already shared between the two countries. And, Madam Speaker, New Zealand has been one of Fiji's top 10 export destinations over the past 5 years, and worth about $106.6 million on average. In 2016, Fiji's highest imports were from New Zealand, valued at about $842.9 million. And there was a total of $978.9 million in two-way trade between New Zealand and Fiji in the year 2016. Fiji's major exports, Madam Speaker, to New Zealand are sweet potato, taro, bread, biscuits, men's and boys' suits and wood. And despite our strong performance, Fiji has had a negative balance of trade with New Zealand from 2010 through to 2016, averaging about $559 million per annum. Madam Speaker, despite the successes we have achieved so far, the New Zealand market still is relatively uncharted by Fijian exporters, given its size and its favourable trading rules and conditions. And up to about 30 Fijian agro-commodities have clear quarantine export pathways established, obviously which we want to better utilise. And there is also significant potential for more diverse Fijian products to be supplied to our Pacific Island diaspora and other market segments in New Zealand. In terms of investment, Madam Speaker, for the period of 2010 to 2015, a total of about 60 New Zealand projects worth 81.6 million Fijian dollars were implemented. And this implementation, Madam Speaker, created about 509 jobs. So the newly formed Trade Commission, Madam Speaker, is expected to play a key role to increase FDIs from New Zealand into Fiji, and it will also provide assistance to Investment Fiji in the area of investment facilitation by providing support services to New Zealand investors. Madam Speaker, Fiji is a strategic location in close proximity to New Zealand, and existing trade and investment flows and the close people-to-people links were key elements which were factored into the Fijian government's decision to open its newest trade commission in Auckland. This is the business hub of New Zealand, and in addition, Madam Speaker, New Zealand, as I said earlier, remains an untapped market while having a significant trade deficit with Fiji, and there is an urgent need for a higher number of investment projects from New Zealand to be registered and implemented in Fiji. I thank you, Madam Speaker.